look at the 2015 Taurus. This is it. Crafted by an obsessive engineering and design team, the Taurus was created to compete with some of the world's best and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, remote engine start, all-wheel drive, xenon headlights, Bluetooth, passenger airbag, automatic transmission, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, heated driver's seat. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.